Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about latest 2025 Jaguar XF is a modern take on Jaguar's luxury sports sedan, combining elegance, advanced technology, and refined performance. Designed for drivers seeking sophistication with a sporty edge, the XF presents an appealing option in the premium sedan segment. Jaguar's 2025 XF arrives with updates that refine its presence and appeal in the luxury car market. The model upholds Jaguar's long-standing reputation for elegance and performance, now enhanced with the latest in car technology and eco-conscious design features, aimed at those who want both style and efficiency. The XF's sleek silhouette, coupled with new tech and improved powertrains, provides a balanced mix of comfort and dynamism. The interior of the 2025 Jaguar XF is meticulously crafted to create a premium atmosphere. High-quality materials such as leather, wood veneer, and metallic accents give the cabin a modern yet classic feel. The spacious cabin prioritizes comfort, with luxurious seating and ample legroom for both front and rear passengers. A redesigned infotainment system with a large touchscreen provides seamless access to navigation, media, and connectivity options, while a digital driver display offers customizable views for key information. Ambient lighting and upgraded sound insulation contribute to a refined driving experience. The XF's exterior design strikes a balance between Jaguar's iconic styling cues and contemporary updates. Its sleek profile is enhanced by a longer hood, bold grille, and striking LED headlights that add a fierce presence on the road. Jaguar has refined the XF's aerodynamic elements, adding subtle details like redesigned bumpers and sculpted lines along the body for improved efficiency and aesthetics. Available in an array of colors and wheel designs, the 2025 XF maintains Jaguar's signature elegance and sporty appeal. Under the hood, the 2025 Jaguar XF offers a selection of powertrains aimed at both efficiency and performance. The model includes mild hybrid options in its lineup, ensuring improved fuel economy without compromising on power. A turbocharged engine lineup provides smooth acceleration and responsive handling, complemented by an advanced suspension system that balances agility with ride comfort. The XF's all-wheel drive option enhances grip, allowing for stable handling in varied conditions. For driving enthusiasts, the XF delivers the sporty, connected feel that Jaguar is known for. With the 2025 XF, Jaguar has crafted a sedan that merges luxury, performance, and modern technology into a singular driving experience. This model remains true to Jaguar's legacy while embracing new standards of efficiency and innovation. The XF is an attractive choice for those who value refined aesthetics, quality, and an engaging drive, setting a high bar in the world of luxury sedans. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.